Hello everyone. We've just released HTML to Elementor Chrome extension. This is a Chrome extension to capture section of the page and convert it into Elementor design. Add it to the Chrome by searching on Chrome Web Store or by link in the description. On the WordPress site, we need to install a plugin called SVG Support to make WordPress support the SVG image. And then on the Elementor settings, on Advanced tab, set the Enable Unfiltered File Upload to Enable. Okay, now we are ready. Go to the web page you want to convert. Reload it if you have opened before installing the extension. Open the extension menu on the top right and click the extension icon. Now we can select part of the page we want to capture by hovering it and then click it to capture. The data will be copied to clipboard. Go to Element Editor, right-click, and then select option Paste from Other Site, and press Command-V if you're using Mac. The other option on the extension is to capture whole page. Make sure the page not too big, or it can become very slow when paste the data on the Elementor editor. Like before, right-click, Paste from Other Site, Command-V, or Control-V. Okay, then you can check the responsiveness and make change if needed. That's it. If you're using Elementor, make sure to test our extension. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.